Imagine you are shooting a movie scene as a robber, but the cops start thinking you a real robber. Something similar happened in this case when police responded to a 911 call about a robbery at Backstep Brewery. The caller told dispatchers that a man in a ski mask entered the bar with a gun. Police officers arrived at the location and saw a man in a ski mask backing out the door. He appeared to be holding a weapon.
1, 2, 3!
Holy shit, look at all them guns.
Whoa, 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 that didn't work. Let's just say this never happened. Okay, bye.
No, what? Hey! What? We're doing a movie. Oh, shit. We're doing a movie.
Drop the gun now! Drop the gun! Drop the gun!
Officers yells in the man to drop the gun. Officer fires a shot and repeats his orders for man to drop his weapon.
We're doing a movie.
Excuse me?
Step back, step back.
Man says they are shooting a movie scene after taking off the ski mask and dropping the weapon.
We're doing a movie.
Step back. Step back.
Step back now. Get down on the ground.
Stepping back.
Get down on the ground.
Hey, you guys better get out here, man.
Hey, stay inside! Stay inside! Stay inside!
Police said neither the production company nor the bar owners told them that a movie was being shot in the area. The ski mask guy was placed into custody until police could confirm that he was part of a movie scene. No charges were filed in connection with the case.